All right, looks like we're on a quest to find Lloyd, also known as Lloyd. Let's see where he's at. No, we didn't find Lloyd, but we found Jay. He has lightning powers. There he is, Lloyd. He's the ultimate ninja. You tell me Lloyd was the most powerful ninja.
Yeah, he's the ultimate.
Yeah, you guys will tell me that.
What in here, guys? In here?
Yeah, what is this?
This is the right way.
Ah, okay.
What? Come on, man.
Wow.
Finish him.
The winner. I've been here long enough to win.
Oh. Oh, but you get to cut him though. You cut him, yeah. He had paper, she had rock, you had scissors. You all won. Right, we on the Lego Ninjago. Right. Let's throw some ninja stars. Some shuriken. 3D glasses are on. Oh, are we supposed to? Are we hitting people already? Oh, let's get them. Oh, that's hot.
That is so cool.
That's hot. You felt the heat? Yeah. Get them, get them, get them. Oh, they're burning us up.
I froze you guys.
We get it burned up. Get that guy, Pop. He's right there. Someone got ice power. Who had ice power? Hayden. Oh, nice. Hayden with the ice power saving the day.
No, I love 3D glasses.
I got 44,000. 15. Hayden was 15,000.
I got 700,000.
I don't know what you were hitting, sir, but apparently it was nothing. The least amount of points.
7,000.
Yeah, everyone was health at 15 and 22 and 17.
How many points you had?
He had like 15,000. So what'd you think, Pop? Ninjago ride. You liked it? Yeah, they were more fascinated with the 3D.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So the boys are afraid to ride everything now. Ever since that first, ever since the first ride.
Yeah.
So we're probably gonna just walk around a little bit, eat something, and then call it a day. Yeah, and then because they are nobody wants to ride anything. They have been scared out of their wits. So we'll catch up with you at the end of this. Getting in on the fun. Yeah, baby. Play with the Legos. What you gonna build? Yeah, what you gonna build, baby? Kaden, I don't know, you building a rocket ship or something?
Always a rocket ship.
Not a rocket ship.
And Kel is building, what are you building, sir? Huh?
A boat.
A boat?
Yeah.
Oh. baby. Yeah, baby. Got that gator. Oh yeah, it's an otter. Cool waterfall.
Don't forget the alligator.
Yeah, I got the alligator.
You want to try the apple fries for little panda?
Yeah, they're good. I like them.
Ito mo, Emma.
I mean, they're really...
Hey, baby.
What are you thinking about this ride?
I feel like it's just animation.
You scared? Very good. You better not be.
Master Builders, I present to you my latest invention, the triple-decker flying couch. Is everyone ready? Let the competition begin. I should point out, this is my first time flying. Whoa! Also, this will be the first time this vehicle has been tested in flight, so there may be some turbulence.
Kitty cat ride. I forget what her name is.
Princess Unicorn?
Something like that. Princess Unicorn. We're gonna go with that. You think you're gonna scream on this one?
I'll try not to.
You'll try not to?
Yes.
Alright, we'll see. Here we go.
Don't look at me.
Oh boy. You alright, bud? Here it goes. Oh. You alright? Okay. You did good, buddy. Good job.
One time I just screamed.
Come on, you got it. You did good. You did good. This is their favorite part, what they've been waiting for, the big shop. They're just ready to get some Legos. That is about it. So if you are a Lego lover, this is the place to be. Let's get
I got this with gold.
Ninjago
Golden Lloyd and
Dragon with Golden Lloyd. Then we got a Ninjago with, I don't know, he got his hood on. I don't know who I'm talking to. There we go. All right. So we're gonna pretty much end it there. That was our Legoland adventure. I'm gonna go back to the hotel, find some food, and then see what else we can get into. But thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys next time. Later. Everybody munching, 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 munching.
Lego statues.
Yes, they do. If you when you get lost in the park,
Yeah,
they just put you in lost and found.
Yeah.
And then a random parent comes to claim you.
You leave with a random parent.
They say, I like this little boy. I'm gonna take him with me.
I like this.
That's what happens.
Oh my God.
To you too, Kaden. So you better be listening.
The boy said, okay.